Hi, and welcome to CADcraft. In this video, I'm going to show you a simple trick to solve this practice problem. This is practice problem 1.9, and the interesting part is that we're going to create the entire model using just one sketch. If that sounds interesting, let's get started. This is the practice file published on the official SOLIDWORKS website as practice problem 1.9. In the description section, there are a few important notes that we need to know before we start modeling. The units are millimeters, grams, and seconds. The origin of the part is marked in red. However, unlike usual, I can't see the origin point in this exercise, so it was probably left out by mistake. The part is symmetric. All sketches must be fully defined, meaning that all of their geometry must be completely defined in terms of size and position. Corner bosses and cutouts are the same size, which is essentially the same concept as T-wipe on a technical drawing. This 3D model consists of 3 layers, and normally we could build them one by one. We could start with one sketch, create an extruded boss, then sketch again on the new face to create the second layer, and repeat the same process for the third layer. But the trick we're going to use here is to create just one sketch and use extruded boss 3 times by changing the contour selection each time. Okay, let's start sketching. For the sketch, select the top plane. The middle layer is a large rectangle, and the top and bottom layers are located inside that rectangle. So first we'll draw a 100 by 175 millimeter rectangle for the middle layer. Then we'll draw 4 40 by 22 millimeter rectangles in the corners for the top and bottom layers. Since all 4 smaller rectangles are the same size, instead of dimensioning each one individually, we'll dimension just one of them and use the equal relation to make the corresponding sides equal. Now the sketch is fully defined. Let's move on to extruded boss. Select extruded boss, and for the contour, select the large rectangle. Set the extrusion depth to 25 millimeters and use midplane. Next, change the contour selection and select these 4 smaller rectangles. Set the depth to 25 millimeters again, but this time select from surface and choose this face. Finally, we'll create the third layer in the same way and extrude it by 30 millimeters. Now let's verify that our model is correct. The practice file provides a volume value in this section. In SOLIDWORKS, I'll open the Evaluate tab and select Mass Properties. As you can see, the volume of the model we created matches the volume specified in the practice file. So our model has been created correctly. And that's it. A practice problem rated medium was completed this easily and in the shortest time possible. Thanks for joining me. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments. I'll make sure to answer them. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. For more tutorials, check out the playlist on the channel.